I'm so amazed when I dig up in your scripture, focused and trying to get ya, hoping to get a picture of who you are, true you are, holy, hoping I miss ya. When I get away and I miss the day spending in picture, that's foolish. I hope to know you and be a student and learn your holy ways on my days with no excuses. Ooh, it's such a privilege to know the God that moves and soothes us. Wretched soul, it was cold, but he renewed it. And when I look at the Psalms, I just pause. Got me dropping my jaws, clear you got them in all. And we can see that they earn it for your person, panting after you when they passion for you is burning. Now I'm trying to pursue you, you precious as a pearl, more than I did them girls I used to mess with in the world. Relentless in my pursuit, I surrender it out to you, and I pray you draw me closer in intimate time with you. Yes.
There's a longing for your love, not just a moment, intimate touch. There's a longing for your love, not just a moment, intimate touch.
It's way too many times I'm staying up on the grind in other areas, and I bury it in my mind, and my life starts getting terrible, scarier, and I find myself trying to get near to you. You was here all the time, but I was having my share of affairs with things you deserve.